Hey, this is Cooking with Jeannie. Let's make some shrimp ceviche.
Here's the ingredients for the ceviche. I use 15 limes, 1 bunch of cilantro, 5 tomatoes, 1/2 of cucumber, 1/4 of purple onion, and 1 serrano pepper. I'm gonna use VA, black pepper, and salt. This is 1 pound of shrimp. It's been sitting in the lemon for about 1 hour in the refrigerator. And now we're going to add our ingredients.
I did use uncooked shrimp. Here, you just want to give everything a good mix. Let's add our seasoning.
Black pepper to your liking.
1 tablespoon of salt. 1/4 of V8. Give it one last mix and bam, there you go. You got an easy, delicious shrimp ceviche. I hope you enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.